We're finding out more details about where the federal dollars are going to work in the state of Missouri. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lucas Geisler.
And I'm Deborah Kendrick. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch joins us live in Jefferson City after attending the governor's press briefing today. Connor, Governor Parsons says more than $66 million from the CARES Act would help support child care.
Deb, Lucas, and child care continues to be an issue for several parents across Missouri as many Missourians are going back to work and schools still remain closed, and many of them planning to stay closed until sometime in the middle of the summer, if not later.
Child care continues to be a need for Missourians to return to work. Today, families who previously did not qualify for a child care subsidy payment may now qualify.
The director of the Department of Social Services said families with incomes up to 215% of the federal poverty level, which is an income of $56,330 for a family of four, will be able to apply for help to pay for child care. The money also provides child care for up to 90 days for those looking for work. And Parson encouraged families to reach out to social services if they cannot find child care.
I think that's what all this federal money is for, and we're trying to provide those services.
Child care providers will also get a chunk of that federal funding based on the number of children authorized for subsidies, not based on how many of those children actually attend.
Child care businesses are essential to the success of Missouri's Show Me Strong Recovery Plan.
While there are guidelines from the CDC on how child care facilities should be open, safety is still a concern for parents as many are going back to work. Parsons said how parents decide on child care is a choice they have to make.
Parents need to take that responsibility. I'm not sure why any of us would ever put our children in harm's way if we knew there was an alternative, even if that means staying at home with them.
And the CARES Act also provided $1.5 million in funding for food banks across the state of Missouri. And locally, that money will be going to the Food Bank of Central and Northeast Missouri in Columbia. And they'll receive about $212,000 to help feed Missourians in our area. Reporting live in Jefferson City, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Connor. The CARES Act also provided $1.8 million in Missouri for the victims of domestic violence through the Crime Advocate Grant. A higher number of acts of domestic violence has been reported across the state.